So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about UTI AMC as well as MAZAGON Dock. So we have discussed yesterday that today we'll be discussing after the listing what can be done in both of the IPOs, whether we can hold these two or we can partially book our profits in MAZAGON Dock. So yesterday we have expected some much more listing gains in MAZAGON, but it has given a little less. So it has opened with 48% listing gains. As usual, UTI AMC, we have discussed yesterday itself that we may get almost 8 to 9% of negative returns. So almost when it has opened in discount price, later we have seen some buying in it, and almost it is fluctuating between 5 to 6%. So what can be done regarding UTI AMC as well as MAZAGON Dock? So we'll discuss that. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So today we have seen opening itself, UTI AMC has opened almost with a negative discount price of almost 9.75%. It has opened correctly near 500 rupees level. Okay, so when we see the market depth of UTI AMC, so clearly you can see 94% sellers were there and 5% buying was present. And I discussed yesterday itself, if you have got the allotment of UTI AMC, don't do any sort of selling. You should hold this particular stock, especially for long term. So yesterday I have discussed about anchor investors, and also I have discussed how much amount of anchor shareholding percent is present, and also in terms of crores we have discussed that this particular asset management company is having much more anchor percentage as compared to HDFC AMC as well as Nippon India Asset Management Company. So I told why to sell them. Okay, so this is a simple question. Yesterday I have told definitely you can hold this. So currently we are also not having any much loss in this particular company, so minor fall is only present 5 to 6%. Again, anything may happen because today market, even though it is 4.4% positive, so heavy selling is seen in most of the stocks. So especially mid cap stocks have been beaten down today, so selling was present. So don't have any panic situation. Even though a little bit of selling is present, this particular stock has sustained the level and it has given some sort of upward movement. So people have want to add, also they can add near the 500 or 510 rupees level if you are interested. So long term wise it is very good stock. So if you see the current price where it is fluctuating, so it is trading near 520.30 rupees level. So this is the 15-minute chart. So 15-minute chart, so when it has gone almost from the 500 rupees level, so we have seen heavy buying. So somebody has invested in this, so that's why from discount it has gone to that much high level. So that we'll discuss in the next videos when the portal gets updated regarding the various deals that happened. So later again it has shown some sort of bearish momentum. Again buying was seen, so little bit of trading activity is still continuing. So not much fluctuation is present, so minor fluctuations are present. So that is little bit of, we can say, safe for people who have got the allotment. So if heavy fluctuation is seen, then definitely a panic situation will be created. So don't have any panic situation. So little bit of fluctuation is there, but definitely don't do any sort of selling. So what we can see in case of MAZAGON Dock. So MAZAGON Dock, when it has opened near the 218 rupees level. So what happened near the 218 rupees level? So again, as usual, we discussed that profit booking will happen in this company even though it has given the listing gains. So from the high, we have seen some sort of selling was present. From 218 almost it has gone to 180 rupees, almost 178 as well, from where again we have seen little bit of buying. So currently it's trading near the 30.24% level. So 188 rupees is the level where it is currently trading. So people who have got the allotment of this, so definitely they can partially book their profits, and rest of all you can hold for the long term. So being a PSU company, so little bit of, again in this we may expect patience for the long term level. So definitely it's you can say good bet for long term. Okay, so much competition is not present, so definitely people have got the allotment. Book your profits, how much amount of listing gains you are getting, so rest of all you can hold. hope already I think who got the allotment, they have booked the profit. So people who want to give a fresh entry, so currently you can watch for 170 180 rupees levels if you want to give an entry. That completely depends on you whether you want to invest, you're invested in this particular sector or not. So decide that first, so after that only you can invest. So if we see the market depth of Meson Dock, so currently you can see the market depth. So almost we are seeing 48% buying is present and 51.70% right now selling is present. So obvious that profit booking. So 30-40% people have got, they're trying to book that profits. So rest of all, I've seen many people have told that they've booked the profits and they're holding the rest for long term, which is a very good strategy. In case of UTI AMC, don't book any loss. That is not a strategy to book loss, especially in those type of companies which are very high profit generating companies, especially for long term. So don't come into the panic situation and start selling. So hold it. So much volatility is also not present, so minute volatility is present. So that is what I can say for UTI AMC, as usual for MAZAGON Dock. So hope everything is clear regarding both these two IPOs listing. So next videos we'll discuss about another stock. So until then, take care. Bye bye.